guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tanaya, known as Modest Guru, and today I'll be showing you how to create this New Year's Eve makeup look. Let's get into it. To start my look, I'm actually going to use the Good Molecules primer. This is their silicone-free priming moisturizer. I'm obsessed with this product. Here's the texture. I'm just going to apply this all over my face. I can definitely feel the shea butter in it. It's just so moisturizing. I have really dry skin in the winter months, so I overhydrate my skin. Like, I use so many different products, but that's another video to come soon. For my foundation, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty's. This is their Faux Filter Foundation Stick. Okay, so this is how the foundation looks, their Faux Filter Foundation Stick. You can tell I've used this foundation quite a lot. So yes, I'm going to take this and just apply it directly to my skin. So I am going to do the base of my makeup first. And then I'll go in with the eyeshadow look. Isn't it so satisfying to watch people like put on their foundation? Or is it just me? In the Revolution, I'm going to use their Hydrating and Fix setting spray to just mist my brush. I find that spray, misting my brush, just helps moisturize my skin as well and keep it hydrated. And I'm going to go in with my Nars Concealer, and I'm in the shade Medium 3. I'm going to try this TikTok kind of like hack when it comes to concealer. And it's like, I guess it's supposed to like lift. Like the concealer on my nose, my mouth. And I'm gonna go in using my e.l.f. Camo Sponge. I'm so sorry if you hear a bunch of construction in the background. I actually live uptown, so it's just like so much noise. But I've gotten used to it, honestly. They lived, okay? I actually love that TikTok makeup hacks. Like, I find that I use less product and I still achieve like the look that I'm going for. What are you all's plans for New Year's? Like, I know most of us will probably be in the house, but are you celebrating with loved ones? Are you bringing in the new year with like your pets? What are your plans? I want to know. My plans, I'm going to go out to dinner with my boyfriend and his mom, so we're just going to be spending some quality time together. And you know, from there, back in the house. But I pray that everyone has like a very, very safe New Year. Please be safe. Now I'm going to go in using the Black Radiance. This is their Beautiful Bronze Foundation Stick, and I use this as a contour shade. So I'm just going to contour the perimeter of my face. Then I'm going to take my ankle brush and just blend this all out. I have a trick that I use. Actually, I like to go in up and down motions so that the bronzer spreads out. And then in my cheeks, I like to push it upwards. So You guys, I couldn't take it no more. My lips were extremely chapped. Okay. I use my same damp sponge and dig into my, this is the Beauty Bakery, this is their flour setting powder. And you really want to get all up in your nose and create that shape. And you want to take your powder and pull it up. Using my MAC Studio Fix foundation powder, I'm in the shade NW45. So this is actually my bronzer shade that I use. Guys, how that looks. So I love their powder foundations, but I use them as a contour. I'm going to bronze and go over every area that I have bronzed at, and I'm just going to set it with this this bronzer that I'm using by MAC. Now for my blush, I'm going to be using Strawberry Drippin' by Fenty Beauty. And this year, I've just started getting into like blushes because let me tell you, I used to think I looked crazy with blush. Just like that, very soft, subtle pink. And I use a concealer to prime my eyelids because it's just so close to my like flesh skin tone color that I find that the pigment and colors pick up so nicely and warms up to my skin tone. For today's look, I will be using the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. Beautiful colors. Ooh. Just love how bright, bold, colorful, and some neutrals you have in this palette. But the shimmers are really what's giving me life. For my transition shade, I want to go in with Grateful and just place that all over my eyelid. Look, this is a great color. And this eyeshadow got a little patchy on me, but I'm hoping I can fix that. And then on the outer corner, I want to go in with G Money right here. Yeah, pray this don't get patchy on me. And I want to bring that shade right above Grateful. To blend that on in. Oh, shit, this is giving me life. Okay, this is it. I love that color G Money, that shade. Just want to give it a little bit more depth right here at the what do you want to call this? Like the tailbone of my eyebrow. Right here over. And that's how we create like a very in-depth eyeshadow look. So gives it a little bit more deepness and depth right here. Ooh, see, that's it. Okay, but I'm looking at these shimmers down here in this family. What do you guys think? Let's try this color here with our finger. Get ready with me. I'm just gonna put this right, pop it right in the middle. And bring her on around. And right, stop it like right before you get to the darker color. G Money. Oh, your fingers were perfect. Do you see that? She's really pretty. And I just love to apply glitters right with my fingers. I'm going to take Comfort Zone right above. This is a great transition shade as well. I'm going right above, and I'm going to start blending that color out. And I'm going to blend it up. I'm going to pop Rider Diamonds in the inner corner. I'm going to apply Lily Lashes. This is their Faux Mink Lashes, and this is in the shade Christian. And I don't want to do like a eyeliner with this look because I feel like it's already so pretty, so soft. A eyeliner will, you know, that a liner will actually give it a more like dramatic look. But I am going to show you my little trick that I do with my eyes just to kind of emphasize and extend them a little further. I'm going to take my Maybelline, this is their Tattoo Studio eyeliner. I'm going to show you this little trick I do. And I connect it where's my bottom lash? So I extend my inner eye just a little bit to create a more almond shaped look. So we keep it real settled. This enhances my eye shape even more with this inner corner fox eye look. Going in with the Master Mask by Mario, I want to take the brown shade here and actually apply that to my lower lash line. I'm gonna do too crazy. I don't want to go too crazy, but I just need to pull that eyeshadow down some more. I'll be right back. I'm actually just going to go ahead and put on my lipstick off camera, and then I'll be back to show you the final look. I was just using the KKW. This is their new lip liner in the shade 2.5. To finish my lip color, I'm using Rare Beauty. This is their matte lipstick in the shade Courage. I'm just going to pat that right in the middle of my lips. And just for a little gloss, I love Smashbox. This is their Gloss Angels. This is so hydrating. You don't take a lot. That little bit, good to go. You guys, this is the final look. So soft, so pretty. So guys, this is the final look. I love it. It is so soft but still glam. And I can so see myself sitting in the house wearing this look, bringing in the New Year's with the person I love, and just enjoying life. So I hope you guys have a very safe and happy New Year's. I hope that you create this look. If you do, please leave a comment down below. Also, let me know your New Year's Eve plans. Like, how are you bringing in the New Year's? But I love you guys so much. Until next time, take care and stay safe.